Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring Contact Sync is active so changes stick across devices. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and turn Contacts on. This prevents local-only edits. Next, check Settings Contacts accounts and enable contacts for Gmail, Exchange, or other accounts you use, because missing account toggles cause absent entries. Once done, make a current backup, either iCloud backup or export a vCard, so you can reverse mistakes. These steps establish a safe, synced foundation before you modify records. Now you perform the detailed fixes. Open the Contacts app and pick the most complete entry as the master, then edit fields to add missing numbers or emails. Consistent labels, mobile, work matter for reliability. To remove duplicates, link contacts inside the app or use Siri suggestions which proposes merges, accept only correct matches. For bulk corrections, export or import a vCard through iCloud. This lets you edit in batches and ensures consistent formatting across records, which prevents repeated sync conflicts. Finish by setting your default contacts account so new entries save where you expect. Settings Contacts Default Account. If something went wrong, restore contacts from your iCloud or local backup to recover lost data. This is safer than manual re-entry. If sync still misbehaves, toggle contacts off in iCloud, choose Keep on my iPhone when prompted, then turn contacts back on to force a fresh merge. This often resolves stubborn conflicts. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID to reset syncing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.